Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Yeah. Yeah. And today, guys, we're here with Jada Kingdom Jungle. Jada Kingdom, aka Mama Heavy. Aka she want her banana. Yeah, that's fruit. Yeah. So this song, I think it released yesterday, not sure. It's now the 23rd of October. So I think it released on 22nd, I think so. So let's jump in and see what she's saying, what it's about. Don't know what it's about, never hear it, never see the video, nothing. So let's go.
The residents here are concerned about the actions of the police.
We're not sure who they're looking for. Clearly, something happened.
It's pandemonium.
Yeah, we like this. It just started, me like it. Jada Kingdom just different. Long time, like me say, long time we don't hear no new music from her. But when she drop, she drops. When she drops, she drops. So me like this. Me like the vibe of this, like the reggae. This is a reggae. It's another dancehall. It's a reggae.
I go the street, man them over here, so have more guns than police. Hungry man around for put some food on him plate. That dirty preacher boy, yeah, him just get charged for rape.
These are issues that fucking up our society. She has sing about it. The man them over here so have more than gun than police. Men are informed, I'm just attack the truth. Jada Kingdom said, I'm just repeating it. The dirty stinking part of it, just charged for rape. We just see one at Jamaica get charged for one bag of thing where they and cult, say my pastor, nothing but a crosses. But I get too much into that. But just I go and I show you what go on, dog. You see me? So I go and I show you what go on, brother. Like Jada Kingdom, make up yourself, mama.
Over here, so have more guns than police. Hungry man around for put some food on him plate. That dirty preacher boy, yeah, him just get charged for rape.
Straight.
For we are share a bed and that's just how we living. Try know what the lane and night you goodly end up missing.
True.
Hard for a dream, cause we not see no happy end. The heavy machine for closer to you than your friend. Hunger make you lay down, can't wait for the light come. Jungle this no kingdom.
Me love this. Jada, me love this. Jada, me love this. This different. This is a different side of Jada we are seeing now. Jada has show her versatility. Jada has show say yo, she's about the music and not about the wind up and the skin out this and the under this and the sexual stuff where female stereotypically sing about. That a word? Stereotypical. Me I try use big word and flap myself. Me not care! Let's go.
Soldier come we up a scatter, try for put we in a shackle. Take a good snack off we hustle up a stash away the double.
That go on. Every day at town. The police them do that. To the eagle of them we are sell downtown. Them always go, use chainsaw, cut up them cat, kick over them stall and them shit there, bro. These poor people, dog. Like, don't do that. Your mother used to do that. Police officer, your mother and your family member them do it. Where do it to people for? No for where.
I'm madness in my city. Nobody beg no pity. Kill the shooter, but you never kill the mentality.
I love that line there. That so far, this is my favorite part of the song. Something happen, a man shoot somebody or some fuckery go on, police kill the shooter, or next man kill the shooter. But you never kill the mentality of the people. Stop them going down that road. You understand? You need to get a hold of the problem, solve the problem, then the issue will solve. You understand? Because the problem bigger than the little issue we're going here, so now the problem over there, so the problem bigger. So this is my favorite line so far.
Kill the shooter, but you never kill the mentality. Hard for a dream, cause we not see no happy end. The heavy machine for closer
Hungry mongry. I got teeth at a while ago, you know. He's hungry, that's why I got teeth at a while ago. Alright.
Children and teach them respect. It's a crazy life we live in, you don't know who's next. Manipulate we with them system and no care who vex. Need more than just a prayer, judge a please send help. They half of a dream, cause we not see no happy end. The heavy machine for closer to you than your friend. Hunger make you lay down, can't wait for the light come. Jungle this no kingdom.
Don't shoot him, don't shoot him. Oh my god, I'm shooting. What? Wait. You never have to shoot, officer. You didn't have to shoot. He rob. He take up a small small packet of snack, small packet of crisps, small packet of a little thing. Not break the shot. Why you shoot? You don't need to shoot. The guy's not harmed. The guy doesn't have a gun on him. Why you shoot? Why you shoot your black brother down like that? And well, you thought it was your black brother gonna get shot. You shot a lady, bro. That could have been your sister or your mother, bro. Why you shoot? These are the stuff that's happening. And if you remember back to George Floyd case, remember I said the police was called because George Floyd used fake money, them say. Fake money it was. And that warrant him dead like that on the road like a dog? No man, you don't do that. Look at this. I love this, Jada. I love this. It's a message. Leave the drop. You fucked up. You fucked up. Jada, big up yourself, mama. Dead. Jada, we need a part 2. Jada, we need a part 2. That nice. This is my type of shit. This is nice. I like this. I like this. There's so much messages in it, and everything what you say is facts. Where the Jada fans them there, hit like on the video, run up the video, big up the kingdoms, big up the mama heavies. Jada, big up yourself, mama. I love you. Hear that? Just continue to do your music, mama, and stay on the positive right track. You see me? Cause I don't know, say them always I fight you sometime and I tell you one bag of shit. But mama, don't watch the comments them. Just do it. You hear that? Yeah, man. We there, man. So we outside. You don't know. Peace out. See you in the next one. You hear that? Yes.